it's Ryan here back with another video. So before starting this video, I want all of you to go and subscribe to Mario Vlogs, because without him this vlog wouldn't have been possible. Actually, we made a dope vlog in his channel as well. It was all about this classic abandoned Rolls Royces in Dubai. So you don't want to miss that. So make sure to check his channel out. I'll leave a link right below in the description, or you can click somewhere over here to check his channel out. And don't forget about the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus giveaway, which ends in 4 days. So all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. And I will be picking the winner on 1st January 2019. So make sure to do that. And without any further ado, let's directly jump into this video. Alright guys, so we just reached Sajja. I'm here with my man Mario, and this is a Porsche area.
Volkswagen, like this.
Wow. Oh, they have a Panamera, Cayenne, Audi Q7. They have a lot of cars, right?
Yeah.
This is a Volkswagen Touareg, I guess. Oh, that's a Cayenne. Guys, I just spotted a Rolls Royce over here. And a Maserati. That's a Maserati, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Copart.
Copart.
Yeah, you say this and let's go.
What would be the cost of this car? The Maserati right there.
Oh, I don't know.
Like?
No. Normal condition, maybe 35,000 dirhams.
35,000.
$10,000. Depends of the model.
Wow.
You change a lot here, huh?
Wow. Guys, this is a Porsche. This is a Porsche. Bro. Everything is destroyed. This is Jaguar, I guess. Let me try to open the door. No, it's closed. There's an Audi Q7 as well. There are a lot of Audis, Porsches, and a lot of cars. This is the place which we are at right now. So in case if you guys want to buy some spare parts, just contact them and they'll let you know. So this is basically Land Cruisers, Nissan Patrols, all the 4x4 cars. Oh my god, just look at the condition of the Range Rover. It's completely destroyed. I don't think anyone will buy this car. Maybe for spare parts. But the tire is destroyed. Man, the interior looks good. The interior looks good, right?
It's pretty good.
It's drivable. Bruh. Oh. Lotus, Bentley. Is it the Audi R8? Oh, bro, we should get down. Alright guys, so we just pulled over. And this place is insane. They have a Bentley, Mustang, and an Audi R8. Oh, they even have pets. This is an Audi R8, right?
V10.
V10.
Yeah, okay. V10.
Bentley.
Normal Bentley, Ferrari,
It's completely crashed. Camaro. Oh, this car looks good. It's a Bentley. This is also an Audi, right?
Yeah. All Ferrari. All Ferrari.
That's a Fisker Karma.
Yeah, I think I saw they have a couple of them.
Yeah?
There.
This car is expensive.
Oh, yeah. There's one more Bentley.
Oh, they're taking a Maserati and coming. It's a Maserati. It's a Maserati. Hey guys, this is a Ford Ram. I don't really know. No, Ram is from Dodge, right? I think this is a F-150 or Raptor. I don't really know. Oh, this is a Bentley as well, dude. There. Alright guys, so this is the shop. Like if you guys want to buy spare parts of all these cars, like they have like over 5 brands, right? Bentley, Ford, Cadillac, Mustang, Corvette, SRT. SRT is from Dodge, right?
Dodge, yeah.
Ferrari, Chevrolet. They have Ferrari?
Yeah, this yellow one is Ferrari.
Where?
Yeah, how is it?
I didn't notice that, but this is a Ferrari F430. Wow. It's completely crashed. There's no engine. The engine is there. It's crashed. The tires are punctured. The doors are open. Wow. It's completely dusty, to be honest. Carbon fiber doors. Wow. Ferrari F430. And this is a Bentley as well. Maserati. Bro, this is just car heaven. That's a Dodge Viper right there. I'm so bad at cars. I'm not able to recognize any of them. It's a Dodge Viper. Which is this? Corvette. Wow. This is a Corvette as well, right? Corvette. It's so sad to see these crashed supercars.
Same, right? Here. This one's Corvette, right? Yeah?
Yeah, this is also a Corvette.
And this one. Look how many Corvettes. Look.
There are a lot of Corvettes. This is a Mustang. Which car is this?
This one is Chrysler 300C.
Oh.
This one is Maserati. Quattroporte.
We can't open the door.
Can't open the door.
Just look at the interior. This is from 2008 or something like that, right?
Yeah.
Corvette. I just spotted a lot of Corvette.
Camaro.
Which car is this? Dodge Challenger. Chrysler. It's also a Dodge. No, it's a Mustang.
Yeah.
But this is actually a very big garage, right?
Yeah. A lot of work.
Yo, which car is this? They even have Jeeps. It's burnt. What happened? I don't really know. Camaros, Corvette. Oh, Camaro, Corvettes. Oh, this is not ending. It's a Mustang as well. GT. Mustang is so common in Dubai, right?
Yeah.
It's very common.
Look at this.
Yeah. This is the end.
One hammer for you.
Where?
At H3.
Hummer is my dream car. Where's the Hummer?
H3, right?
Yeah, this is H3.
That's Mustang or...
Is it Mercedes?
No, this one.
No, this is a Dodge.
This one, I don't know.
It's a Dodge.
No, I mean this one.
Which one?
Oh, no.
It's very hard to see. It's a Mustang as well.
Yeah.
This garage is just epic. Are you planning to buy any sort of cars like this? Yeah?
No, I don't know.
Now, which all cars do you have right now?
You will see.
Huh?
You will come to my home, you will see.
Basically, this guy is a Maserati Ghibli. It's a Corvette, Viper, Mustang, Corvette. Oh. And they have a lot of cars over here as well.
No more Corvette.
Guys, this is an Audi R8. I mean, just look at the interior of this Audi. Alright guys, so that's all you can watch in my channel right now. Go to Mario's channel and watch the part 2 of this vlog. I'll leave a link right below in the description, or you can click somewhere over there. We did some crazy shit. Go and check it out. And also subscribe to Mario. A huge shout out to him for showing me everything. So yeah, peace.